Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to our kitchen. My name is Jessie and I'm the only home cook here, with Calvin behind the cameras. My favorite part of a Sunday game day is the finger food to munch on during the game. Quick and easy in an air fryer. Today we're making a Duel Riblets. Classic barbecue flavor versus salted pepper riblets. Which one do you think is going to win? For the ingredients you would need 1 tablespoon of salt, pepper, garlic seasoning, a 1/4 cup of fine flour, 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 tablespoon of coarse salt, 1/2 tablespoon of freshly ground peppers, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, some avocado oil spray, 3 pounds of baby back ribs, 2 sweet peppers, 1 serrano, 1 red jalapeno, 5 garlic cloves, and parsley for a garnish. We start off by drying these ribs completely. I'm also putting a paper towel in the bottom of this bowl to soak any liquid. I'm just cutting in between the bones for each cube so they stay bite-sized. I bought these ribs that were cut in half lengthwise to make little riblets. Most meat counters at local store would cut them in half lengthwise for you upon request. Because I'm going for crispy air-fried riblets, I'll dry them again by mixing the ribs around in the bowl with paper towels to soak up any remaining liquid. Now in goes the salt, pepper, garlic seasoning to add some flavors. This is my go-to all-purpose seasoning. You can use your favorite all-purpose seasoning here. Mix them well. Next is our frying flour. We just want to add a thin coat of flour to give an extra crunch in the air fryer. See? This is good. Evenly coated. I use about 1/4 cup of flour here. I mix this flour myself with a ratio of 1 part of cornstarch and 2 parts of self-rising flour. Now we spread them out in a single layer on a baking sheet. Spray a coat of oil to moisten the flour but not to soak it. Then flip them over and do the same thing on the other side. I'll set them aside for a bit while I'm prepping the little ingredients that we have for the flavors later. This step is important for the flours to have a chance to adhere to the ribs. For the salt and pepper flavor, we thinly dice the sweet peppers. You can use all bell peppers here if you like. These are what I have in the fridge. Also, I like mine a little spicy, so I'm using serrano and jalapeno peppers here. This is why I have to put a glove on so it won't burn my hand. I also am mincing them so it won't be big pieces in one bite later and become too spicy. Garlic chopped. Parsley roughly chopped. And for the salt and pepper mixture, we just mix the salt, pepper, cayenne peppers together and we have the mixture ready. For the barbecue flavor, I melted the 1 tablespoon of butter in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And now I'm adding it into our barbecue sauce. And that's it, we're ready. Let's bring my favorite toy out, the foodie. Today we'll be using the air fry function only. Into the air fry basket, adding the ribs in a single layer. Make sure not to overcrowd them. We have to do multiple batches for these ribs. I'm putting the bone side down first. We set this at 390 degrees for 20 minutes at the air fry function. Good. Yum. Halfway through the 20 minutes, we will flip them to the other side so they can cook evenly. Wow, look at that! Yummy! Look how crunchy these are in just 20 minutes with very little oil. The first batch we used for the barbecue sauce flavor and continued the air fryer with the second batch. You can eat them like this already. No need for extra flavor, but we gotta jazz it up with different flavors, right? Now I'm brushing the barbecue and butter sauce on these ribs while they're still hot so the sauce can adhere onto the ribs better. Then some parsley for freshness and look. Now the second batch is almost ready in the air fryer. I'll make the salt and pepper flavor now. This is one of my favorite flavors whenever we go to an Asian restaurant. I like salt and pepper on everything. Heating up a large wok on medium-high heat with some cooking oil. Add in our garlic. Let it fry for about 15 to 20 seconds for the flavor. Then our peppers. Be careful of the chili's fume. It's so spicy. Oh, look how pretty all the colors are. Sprinkle in a little bit of salt and pepper mixture. Now the ribs. Add more salt and pepper. Toss it again so everything is evenly coated, and we're done. We usually have these as snacks or with some side. Today I had some potato salad in the fridge and it would go great with these. Let's see which one is the winner. I'll try the salt and pepper ones.
And I'll try the one with the barbecue sauce.
It's so good. Wow, crunch. This is good. Yeah. This is definitely the winner right here, the barbecue. I haven't tried the other one yet, but the barbecue so far is delicious.
Look how juicy it is.
Yeah. Perfect to munch on when you're watching the game. Perfect.
Okay guys, we hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and come back for more ideas for your next dinner. We'll see you then.